You walk into the house. There's the dining room and the girls eating breakfast. Say hello.
Hello.
There's the kitchen. And then there's the living room. Isn't it pretty? And the piano. The Christmas tree with some presents. And the couches. And like moving right along. Say hello.
Hello.
We go upstairs. And it says home. We got those. And then those. What could that be? There we go. Look at that. I sound like a dork. There's the new bathroom. Almost completely done. Way to go, Daddy Joe. Walk into my room. Got those. Ta-da! And going back out. There's Joey's office that still needs to get done. Look at all the boxes. Wow, craziness. And then there's the playroom. Look at all those toys. And there's a TV and where the girls sleep for now. And that's the end.